Hi guys, Razan here. So I make fitness videos and nutrition videos. Well, for now, but maybe I will explore other topics in the future. I don't know. Anyway, so I made the tuna sandwich in my last video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link the description below. And this video, I will be making the tuna sisig. So making the tuna sisig is very simple, very few ingredients. So you will be needing onion and canned tuna. Get the one that's soaked in water, not in oil, so it's less calories. Two eggs. You can also use one if you want just one. And soy sauce. Personally, I use Kikoman, but Dato Puti is also really delicious. Chili powder if you want it spicy. Two pieces calamansi and cooking oil. And make sure you have a food scale or a measuring tool, maybe tablespoon or teaspoon. So on a hot pan, you want to put your tuna. Drain your tuna because the secret to good tuna sisig is it's very toasted tuna. And then for your onions, you want your onions to be finely chopped. Listen to this food processor. I really love the sound of this food processor. It's so satisfying. Once you have your onions ready, you want to check on your tuna again. You want to try to get it to a golden brown color. Make it well toasted. Then here's the important part. You want to measure your oil. Make sure you to just use around 1 teaspoon, so 4 grams. The calories in this is really fast. So be careful when you put oil. You just want enough so that your onions will be cooked better. So once you've cooked your onions and mixed them well together, you can already add your soy sauce. So maybe 1 teaspoon, just mix them together, and then you can add your calamansi already. And then after that, just mix. So once everything's well combined already, you can add your egg. The purpose of the egg is to make it a little bit more wet, a little bit more juicy, because the tuna, without any fat, without any oil, might turn out dry, unlike pork sisig with all the fat. So there you have it, that's your tuna sisig. Now let's talk macros. So the entire recipe will have around 57 grams of protein and only 564 calories. That's if you eat it with rice and the 2 eggs. For some people, the serving might be too big, so you can either have it in 2 servings or share it with a loved one. But the protein to calories ratio here is really impressive, and it's a really good dish, easy to make. There you have it, the tuna sisig. So it's very easy to make, very quick to make, little preparation needed, and it has insane macronutrients in it. And what I love about it though is its volume. So you feel like you're eating a lot, but in terms of calories, you're not really setting yourself back so much. The next video will probably be a chicken breast video. I'm still not sure what I will be making, but stay tuned for that.